Good people, I'm back and I've decided to kind of switch it up. I have been showing on-foot videos on my channel of designer high-end trainers. I haven't really unboxed any, so this will be my first ever unboxing of this brand and unboxing of high-end luxury sneakers, trainers, whatever you want to call them. This pair of trainers I liked online. I got them and I thought these are nasty. Didn't wear them, and now I remembered I had them and I just kind of put them on yesterday and thought, these actually look quite good on foot. They're 100% not to everybody's taste. So if you say they're ugly in the comments, you know, it's whatever. It's not to everyone's taste. So just before I start, I want to make sure everyone's liking, comment, sharing, subscribing. All the regular viewers, big up yourselves. You're very important to the channel. Shout out you lot. I can't remember the number, how many people are regular watchers, but shout out. There's a few of you. So let me just not waffle too much and let's do the first ever Valentino unboxing. That sounds proper professional, I like that. So the box says Valentino Neon Camo Overlaid Bounce Sneaker UK 9 Yellow. Then over here obviously it says 43, which is a European size. Then it says green as well, it says A green. So you're going to see yellow, green, whatever. It's a bit confusing. Let's just get into it. So as always, Valentinos come with dust bags. Always come with dust bags. Shout out the companies that do put dust bags in. I don't really use them, but shout out the companies that do, because it's good. I like things like this. I may never use them, but I like them. It's weird, but you know, if we're paying so much, you know, give us a little extra, mate. It comes with the little... There's actually another one of these, which actually says Valentino on it. I don't know what I did with that. So yeah, it's got the little words and writing and antibacterial, memory effect, long lasting, active charcoal, high tech, always dry. That's talking about the sole. Where's the English? Oh, it's made from leather. Any imperfections are characteristic features of the leather and not a flaw. To preserve the quality of this product, we recommend avoiding contact with water, grease and solvents. Clean with soft cloth and store in the protective case provided. Okay, yeah, I'm not going to store them in the protective case provided, just because I don't really care. That can get flung over there. Laces, very important, spare laces, because I don't know where I will get, you know, spare laces like this. Well, those can also get flung over there. Let's just get into the trainers now. Yes. Amazing. And see why I like these so much? Because nobody has these. I haven't seen them on anyone's social media. I haven't seen anyone in real life wear these. I love stuff that's unique. Not saying I want to stand out or whatever, but I like stuff that not everyone has because it gets boring. Plus, I know this video is not going to get many views because, you know, it's not hype. These are not hype trainers right now. Who knows? Maybe this video could start the trend. Valentino, send me some trainers, man. I like Valentinos, but yeah, these I love and hate, but I really like them. It's just it depends on my mood. Today I really like them. You got a paint splattered midsole. You got a little. It's not little. This is a big piece of plastic, and then more plastics, more like a rubber. The sole, Valentino, suede. Well, just one thing that annoys me about the suede is it kind of looks used, but it's whatever. You know, it's got, I don't know what material you want to call that. It's like a little coating, then mesh. Valentino on the back. The pink. I like pink. I have nothing against pink, but it's so random. It could have been a khaki, a yellow. Just make it all in one, man. But yeah, I really like these trainers. A lot of people probably won't. If someone shouts, "What are those?" Yeah, I'm gonna have to throw them at him or something. I don't know, man. But yeah, man, I really like these trainers. They look 10 times better on foot. A lot of trainers, why I actually record on foot videos, because they could look horrible here. They could look terrible. But then when you style them out, when you wear them with an outfit, you think, oh, not bad at all. Plus, like I said, no one has these. I haven't seen anyone wear them. Quite unique, quite different. I do like trainers that are kind of loud, so these are, you know, kind of loud. And then it goes to the part where how am I gonna wear these? I'd say people that watch this all the time are gonna start fighting me. Black or grey jeans. It can be a kind of light grey, not the light grey. Dark grey jeans. Black jeans with a black hoodie. With like this type of color on the hoodie, or you know, khaki and black hoodie. I'm not sure if Valentino released any specific things to pair with this, because I do know Valentino sometimes they'll release like burgundy camo trainers and burgundy camo sweatshirt. Not for me. But yeah, all the people watching, just tell me if you like these or not. Most of the people are not gonna like them. And I'll definitely show everyone an on foot video because I think they look so much better on foot. Fair enough, they may not look good like this or whatever, but on foot, definitely look good. Well, to me anyway. If you like them, you like them. If you don't, you don't. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. People, take care.